All right, so let's do an update. Update on this. Now, the kitchen is now tied in with over here very nicely. This room's getting another coat of stain. This room is much newer. This wood is much wider. All right. And the upstairs hallway. It's got its matching stain on it. This room is getting painted today. There were some big cracks under that doorway. What else? This is actually woodwork. It's painted the same as these doors. So we're gonna caulk this crack, put the wall color on this here, and that seems kind of odd, but we could always, I don't know. I mean, it seems kind of obvious that this should be painted the wall color, but they have it painted as the trim color. So for the time being, I'm going to keep it as the trim color unless I'm instructed differently. The saddles are all done. Those just got to get nailed in place. What else is going on? Gee, you're getting geared up for the windows, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. You all right, buddy?
Yeah.
Got some nice warm soapy water?
Yeah.
All right. All right, good. Daily progress. All right, so work your way in a method so you know where you've been, but it'll be pretty obvious also. If you see any windows with holes in them, we got to put new screens in them. You could strip the old screens out of them. No. Mamma mia, there's a few windows in here though, huh? A lot of windows in here. Okay, here we go.